Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GUSH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times before, including yesterday on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And as of right now, this line here doesn't really serve much of a purpose anymore, so from a presentation standpoint, I'm not wanting to create clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. Let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the big dynamic here that everybody is watching is this support level that I talked about time and time again, because the price is sitting right at that level, and you can see the significance of this. The price has been down here many times before. And what makes this very interesting is notice that each and every time the price was down here before, there's been some nice bounces that have followed suit, some bigger than others, but like I said, a lot of bounces that have played out from this level. So, and don't get me wrong, I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has bounced from this area several times before does not mean that for sure guaranteed that another bounce is coming. My point is, does it at least make valid sense? Is it at least a rational thought to have that, you know what, maybe a bounce is going to take place? Yeah, absolutely. Case in point, let's just say the price has never bounced from this area before, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like there's a good chance of a bounce. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? I mean, it's never bounced from this area before, but in this situation, I mean, it clearly has. Again, does that mean it's guaranteed to bounce? Of course not. No such thing as a guarantee. But is it a rational thought to have? Absolutely. So keep a close eye on that. Now, the biggest sign that, a bounce would no longer be in place if the price just crashes down through that level. At that point, that's telling you that, this significant area of support has been violated, and that pattern would no longer be in play. But if the price does try to bounce upwards, keep a very close eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. You can see right there it actually rejected it today. So watch that going forward. Current value of that is at 61 cents. But definitely an interesting setup going forward. So let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.